Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Duchess.
Hi, Duchess here with a holiday haul with some bargain items. I've got items from the dollar store and I've got items from Walmart. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. These are going to be items that I use to craft with, items that I sell to people or I use to make gifts for family and friends. So I want to start with my dollar store items. So basically, these are all the same item. I just got a few of them. And I got these from the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar General or any place like that, where everything is $1. So I got these cool Santa mugs. I've got 7 of them. And the project that I'm going to use these for is etching. So these mugs will be etched with personal words. So I gotta I found these a couple of like a week or two actually yeah, a couple of weeks ago, early December, and I used them for my niece's book fair because they had vending booths. And I was just walking around looking for items and I saw these and I was like, "Oh my goodness, these would be great for engraving." So yeah, I definitely had to snatch these up. They were the skinny mugs and not the big mugs like these. And then I had got some plain mugs as well. And then I got some mason jars with handles on them. And yeah, so I think I ended up with 12 cups the last time. And I engraved all of those. And at the book fair, someone placed an order to get some personally engraved mugs. So she wanted them for the aunts and uncles of her kids. So each cup will have Uncle like Sarah, Uncle Pam, I mean Uncle Joe or Aunt Pam or whatever like that. So I was so scared though when I went to the store because I thought that there wouldn't be any more left, and I got the last 7. I was so happy. I was so happy, y'all don't even know. But I do also have an example of what these will look like once they are engraved. Here is the engraved one. I engraved this using a Dremel. So these will end up looking like this, but it'll say Aunt so and so or Uncle so and so. And it doesn't take very long to engrave them. You just have to be careful. Yeah. So that's what these will end up looking like. I also had these are the mason mugs that I was telling you about that I engraved. I put candy in them and stuff like that when I sold them at the book fair. Oh, what is this green stuff? But anyway, yeah. So this is a cool idea. If you see some cups like this or some mason jars, you can totally do that as an idea for gifts. And it doesn't come if you engrave it. Like if you don't know what engraving is using a tool to sand down or rub against a surface, and then you get a design or lettering, however you want to put it. But yeah, it's totally machine washable and it won't come off. A lot of people kept rubbing it thinking that it would come off at the book fair. It was funny. And I had to explain to them that they're totally machine washable and totally safe to use. But yeah, so that's um my first couple of items. I'll also have a video of how to engrave once I get ready to do these. So yeah, that will be exciting. Okay, so here's my Walmart bag. It doesn't look like much because it's one bag. But I don't know if your Walmart has these or not. But in the sewing section, they have fat quarters. And I was like, oh my god, yes, this is such a good idea because I like to sew stuff as well. So had this idea for making child size aprons and adult aprons. I don't know why I have this obsession with making aprons, but I do. So yeah, I've got some Elsa fabric. I got a yard of just regular black cotton fabric. I found this was the only Spider-Man fabric they had. I was looking for another one because I wanted to make a his and her Spider-Man apron set. Found these cool Batman fabrics. These will be and a fat quarter is a really good size for sorry, is a really good size for making aprons. I feel like for child or adult because you can make half aprons. Um, you know what I mean? You can make half aprons, or you can use two to make a full apron, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on like yards and yards of fabric. And then I have these cute little cat prints and some doggy prints. Can't leave out the doggies or the kitties. They're just so cute. Oh god. Oh, here's another Elsa. Oh, I didn't know I got that many Elsas. One, two, three, four. Four Elsa. Okay. I got these cute little miniaturized canvases. Those will be fun to paint. And let's see. Oh, my ribbon. This ribbon will be used for the aprons as well. So I'll use this ribbon will be for the ties of the apron and the trim of the apron. And then this skinny ribbon will be for bows. So I got this yellow for the Batman. Um, yeah, for the Batman fabric. Cause I want to use oh, I didn't tell you how much this stuff cost. How much did this stuff cost? Let me grab my receipt. So the ribbon was $3.97, which I thought was really good because it's 25 yards of ribbon. And usually, before I found this, I was getting 3 yards for $1 at the dollar store. And I thought this is a great deal, 25 yards for 3.97, $4. Thought that was an excellent deal. And let's see, the yellow, I think, can't see. Oh, the yellow, I think is 147. No, 197. $2 for the yellow. And then this ribbon was 49 cents, I believe. Yeah, it was 49 cents. Oh yeah, I put the other one back. I should have kept it. But I didn't have enough money to get the other one, so I put the other one back. Yeah, that's right. Um these all of these fat quarters were 147 each. Yeah, all the fat quarters were 147 each. And that's pretty much it for my holiday haul. So yeah, if you want to get into sewing, if you want to make like a something small like a wallet or anything that doesn't take a lot of fabric, you can get these cool fat quarters thank you for tuning in and hanging out with me. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful. Um, and I will see you next time. Bye.